This is a question that's actually a repeat from one of the questions that is in the SAT Blue Book, the SAT official College Board study guide for the subject test in math. So if you're planning on doing that practice tests as its own separate thing, which I recommend you do, don't watch this video, don't do this question right away. Do the test whenever you get around to doing it, and then you can either watch this video for the solution, or later in the series I made the same video for the problem for this that's in this book. So you can watch either of these videos, but I definitely recommend you skip this one until you've done the full practice test. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So suppose the graph of f of x equals negative x squared is translated 3 units left and 1 units up. If the resulting graph represents g of x, what is the value of g of negative 1.6? So our original function is f of x equals negative x squared. We're then going to translate it 3 units left and 1 unit up. That means we're going to move it 3 units left and 3 units up. So if we have y equals negative x squared, which looks something like this, it's going to be moved 3 units left and 1 up. So maybe we'll get something like that. But the problem is we need to be able to do this exactly so that we can find the value of this very specific point. And to do this, we have to remember how to transform functions using the notation. So essentially what we're going to be doing is moving it 3 units to the left. That's the same thing as f of x plus 3. So we're shifting it to the left 3 units. So this is going to be equal to negative, still outside the parenthesis, negative x plus 3 squared. This plus 3 shifts it 3 to the left. If it were minus 3, it would be 3 to the right. That can be confusing because we would think if it's plus 3, it's moving in the positive direction, but actually no, it's moving in the negative direction. So we want to put this plus 3 inside the parentheses, and that moves it left and right. So it's going to translate into negative quantity x plus 3 squared. For the shift up, that's easy. We just add 1, so plus 1, and that shifts the entire graph up 1 unit. Now we have the function g of x. G of x is equal to negative x plus 3 squared plus 1, and we can now solve for g of negative 1.6. So negative 1.6 plus 3 squared plus 1. Let's go ahead and solve this. So negative 1.6 plus 3 is 1.4, so we'll square that. And we'll make it negative. And we'll add it to 1. So we get negative 0.96. And that is choice B, which is the answer.